Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to check oven door seals for wear for your oven. Begin by turning off the oven at the electrical panel before inspecting the door seal. Open the oven door downward to expose the door seal around the front frame. Locate the door seal running along the edges of the oven frame. Inspect the seal carefully for cracks, tears, or worn sections along its length. Gently press and pull the seal to ensure it is securely attached and not loose. Clean any buildup from the seal using a soft cloth, and replace the seal if it is damaged or worn. Close the oven door and ensure the seal sits evenly against the frame.